In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics questions or problems under business organization. So guys, we'll be looking at the subtopic cooperative societies. We have about 10 to 13 repeated questions to practice with for this subtopic under business organization. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, cooperative societies are characterized with, we have unlimited size of membership, divergent interests of members, limited liability, free entry and exit. So the right answer to this question is option C, which is limited liability. Next repeated question will be this one. It says the process that leads to agreements on the conditions of service between employers and employees is termed, we have arbitration, salary negotiation, collective bargaining, we have conciliation. So the right answer is option C, which is collective bargaining. Very, very important. Next repeated question we have is this one. It says cooperative societies are formed mainly to, we have, promote and maintain the welfare of members, break the monopolies of private companies, encourage thrift and credit among members, assist producers to maximize their profits. The right answer is option A, which is to promote and maintain the welfare of members. Next repeated question will be this one. It says a distinguishing characteristics of consumer cooperative society is that the maximum number of shareholders is 20. Members are the workers, members are the owners. The minimum number of shareholders is 5. So the right answer is option C, which is members are the owners. Take note of this, guys, very, very important. The next repeated question is this one. It says during a conflict between management and workers, the union's bargaining power is based on, we have negotiation, work to rule, picketing, management decision. Right answer is option A. The union's bargaining power is based on negotiation. Very, very important. Next repeated question will be this one. It says the consumer cooperative society is owned by, I think we have answered similar question already. The right answer is option A, which is members of the society. Yeah, that's the right answer. Next question is this one. It says an association formed by a group of individuals solely for the marketing of their product is A, we have credit and thrift society, consumer cooperative society, voluntary organization, producer cooperative society. Now guys, take note of this question. The right answer here is option D, which is producer cooperative society. Okay, next question is this one. It says a distinguishing characteristic of consumer cooperative society is that the minimum number of shareholders is 5. Members are the owners, members are the workers. Minimum number of shareholders is 20. And so you also answer similar questions. So the right answer is option B, which is members are the owners. Very, very important. Next question is this one. It says one form of business organization which is not motivated solely by the profit objective is the, so we have private limited company, cooperative society, ordinary partnership, joint stock company. The right answer is option B, which is cooperative society. The next question is this one. It says a distinguishing characteristic of cooperative societies is that voting power depends on the, we have equality of members, number of shares held, status of the member, management's decision. The right answer is option A, which is equality of members. The next question is this one. It says the consumers cooperative society is owned by, we have the option A, the government, the venture holders, members of the society, a management committee. The right answer is option C. Take notes of this question as well. Members of the society. Next question we have here is this one. It says the major problem of cooperative societies in Nigeria is that they often lack cohesion and continuity. Their liability is unlimited to members. Their management style is poor. Voting is by proxy. Right answer is option A, which is they often lack cohesion and continuity. Last question I have here before I end this video will be this one. It says the voting power in cooperative societies is vested on, we have the shareholders, member with loan, the management, members with the highest contributions. The right answer is option A, which is the shareholders. So guys, this basically how you can deal with problems under cooperative societies, a subtopic in business organization. We dealt with about 10 to 13 questions for this subtopic in business organization. Hope there's something interesting for the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and WASI. Alright, so having done this, click on the next one above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.